let's go, let's go. Woo. Hey, F30 boys. Oh shit. See, we're missing the action. We're missing the action. I need to turn on traction control. How you guys do that? How you do that? Hey, I'm new to the F30 boys. Oh, right here, right here. Yup. They got a little juice. They got a little juice. Boy. That thing sounds so crazy. That shit sounds heckin' good. Bro, it doesn't sound too bad though. It sounds good though. The freaking Fender exit exhaust. Can't go any more crazier than that. But hey, we in the F30 boys. Shit, man. He just got alignment, brand new tires. We have an event this weekend, so stay tuned for the next video. That video you guys are probably gonna see next, but drifting in that car, I gotta get a special helmet before I can even do a ride along. So I'm gonna try to get a ride along for you guys. So hopefully I'm able to get a helmet, or I'm able to use my DOT approved helmet. They want some special helmet, but I don't know why, but oh. F30 boys, I'm gonna take off at the light too. Watch this. Look at this dude. He got a big old crack in his windshield. We need to fix that shit. Hey, you need to fix your windshield, bro. Fix your windshield. Woo. Hey, that thing looks good. It needs some wheels though, but damn. Not too bad with a side exit exhaust. That thing is solid. Solid car. So I do have my E46. We're gonna be drifting with him. Not this weekend, but soon. Y'all gonna see more of this. Hey. I'll put their link down below. This is my boy. He got a channel, Psychotic Street Bills. Definitely follow him down below. They got some shit coming up. That's his brother's car, Subaru, with a turbo on that shit too. E46 though. We're going drifting this weekend for his birthday, so you guys gonna see more of this car.
Ollie's showing me the actual boost number, right? Not KPA.
Yeah.
I think that's 3 pounds we're filling.
Shit.
So imagine.
No, I think this thing feels really, really nice. Honestly, like turbo LS, you can't go wrong. Honestly, it got the torque and it got the turbo sounds. It's kind of the best of both. See the hydro, manual.
So hopefully.
Got some tires in the back.
Enough. If not, we can actually.
More to come on this car. Definitely stay tuned. If you guys haven't already, hit that subscribe button, that notification bell. More content's on the way. We chilling. Oh, you wanna find? Okay.
Might be at the house. Oh, right here.
Oh, so oh, you're putting that back in. Where's the back cover though? The cover's gone too.
Where?
You see how like you can see on like the inside of it?
That's what I'm saying. This is all that he pulled out.
This piece, this is a clip. I don't know if you see.
I think it pulled it out hella easily earlier.
Yeah, it's like that. And then this
so
shit. That comes off, and then this. I guess you don't have to mess with this, but this twists off.
Yeah, that's why you fucking took it off. Hello?